SlowCast English, Episode 30, Talking About Feelings.
You look tired. Are you okay?
I didn't sleep well.
Why not?
I had too much work.
That's hard.
Yes, I feel stressed.
You should take a break.
Maybe you're right.
Do something you enjoy.
Like what?
Listen to music or go for a walk.
Good idea.
I hope you feel better soon.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Introduction to this podcast. Conversation about stress and self-care. Amy notices John is tired and learns. He's stressed from too much work and poor sleep. She suggests he take a break and do something enjoyable, like listening to music or walking. John appreciates her advice and support, and Amy wishes him well.